Namaste my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3 maths chapter number 3 subtraction. Today let us learn subtraction of two-digit numbers. Example number 1. Subtract 26 from 47. Dear children, in the previous chapter we have learned addition of single digit, two digit, three digit and large numbers. And now let us learn the subtraction of two-digit numbers in this chapter. So to subtract the given numbers, we will write down the numbers one below the other like this as the solution of this problem. So we have to subtract 26 from 47. So we should write the number 47 first and 26 just below that, minus 26. So after writing down the given numbers one below the other, so we have to subtract the digits at ones place first. 7 and 6 are in ones place. We will subtract these digits first, subtracting 6 from 7. So I will draw standing lines, 7 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 should be subtracted from 7. So I will strike out 6 lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many lines are remaining? 1. So we should write 1 here, just below 6, 1. And now we have to subtract the digits in tens place. That is subtracting 2 from 4. For that what I do, I will draw 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will strike out 2 lines because we have to subtract 2 from 4. 1, 2. So how many lines are remaining now? 2. So we have to write 2 here. So on subtracting 26 from 47, we get 21. And this 21 is called as difference. So we can write this statement like this also. 47 minus 26 is equal to 21. So here 21 is called as difference of 47 and 26. This is called as difference. Remember this. So like this you can subtract the given number from the other number by drawing standing lines, or you may use your fingers for subtracting the given numbers. First you should subtract the digits at ones place and then you should subtract the digits at tens place. Let us move to the next example. Example number 2. Subtract 25 from 75. So as we did earlier, we will write down these numbers one below the other. We should write the number 75 first. 7, 5 and below that we should write 25. We are subtracting 25 from 75 with minus sign here. I'll put a line. So here 5 minus 5, subtracting 5 from 5. So any number subtracted by itself gives us 0. We know that, but still if I draw the standing lines for this case, so I will draw 5 standing lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 should be subtracted. I should strike out 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines are remaining now? No lines are remaining. That means 0. No lines remaining means 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Then we have to subtract 2 from 7. So I will draw 7 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and subtract 2 from 7. So I will strike out 2 lines. 1, 2. How many lines are remaining now? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are remaining. Therefore, I should write 5 here. 5. That means the difference of 75 and 25 is 50. Or we may write 75 minus 25 is equal to 50. Let us move to the next example. Example number 3. Subtract 45 from 82. So we should write 82 first. 82 and below that minus 45. So here in this number, so if you look at the digits at ones place, 2 and 5, and here we have to subtract 5 from 2, and we know that 2 is less than 5. So therefore we cannot subtract 5 from 2. So what we should do in this case is, so we should take 110 from the neighboring column, neighboring number, that is 8. We should borrow 110 from neighboring 8 here. So this 8 can be written as 7 plus 1. So there are 8 tens here. These 8 tens can be written as 7 tens plus 1 10. So this 110 we will borrow in this to this ones column. So what we do is, I will strike out this 8. It becomes 7 now, 7 tens, and 110 is given away to 2 here. So now this 2 becomes, after borrowing 110, it becomes 12. So we have to now subtract 5 from 12. Now I will draw 12 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we should subtract 5 from 12. I will strike out 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many lines are remaining here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get 7 on subtracting 5 from 12. 7. Now here 7 is remaining. We have to subtract 4 from 7. I will draw 7 standing lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will strike out 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are remaining now? 1, 2, 3 lines are remaining. So I will write 3 here. That means when we subtract 45 from 82, we get 37 as difference. That is 82 minus 45 is equal to 37. Now let us move to the next example. Example number 4. Find the difference 82 minus 48. The question may be asked like this also. So we should find the difference between 82 and 49. So here, while writing down one below the other, we will write down 82 first because it's given already here. 82 minus 48. That means we are subtracting 48 from 82. So therefore, we should write down 82 first and 48 below that with minus sign. Again here 8 is greater than 2, which cannot be subtracted from 2. What we do here? So we will rearrange or regroup the numbers here. So this 8 tens can be written as 7 tens plus 1 10, and this 1 10 is borrowed to the ones column here, which becomes 12. Let us do that. So I will strike out 8 here and I will write 7. We are regrouping 8 as 7 tens plus 1 10, and 1 10 is borrowed to the ones column, so it becomes 12 here. Now we will subtract 8 from 12. So subtracting 8 from 12 gives us 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. And here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 4 is 3. You can draw standing lines if required. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 34 is the answer. So we have a shortcut method to find difference in such cases. So I will show it now. So when we find the difference between 82 and 48, so what we can do is we can transform these numbers as here 48 has to be subtracted from 82. So 48 ಅನ್ನು 82 ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 48 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 2 to 48 it becomes 50, which is the multiple of 10. That is, so if you add, I will write plus 2 in brackets. So if you add 2 to 48, it becomes 50. So we are transforming this. Becomes 50, and we have to add 2 to this number also, from which we are subtracting plus 2. So now 82 plus 2 becomes 84. So now the subtraction will be easy. Look here, 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 5 is 3. So we get 34 here also. So this is the shortcut method. So we can make the number to be subtracted as the multiple of 10. ಸೊ 10 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 48 plus 2 becomes 50 and 82 plus 2 becomes 84. Subtracting 50 from 84 gives us 34. So here without taking any borrow we can subtract easily. So you can follow this shortcut method while subtracting, but you should be very careful. So if you are adding 2 here to the second number, the same number should be added to the first number also. You should not add different numbers. So ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Example number 5. Write the subtraction facts for 32 plus 48 is equal to 80. So this is the addition fact. 32 plus 48 is equal to 80 is the addition fact. So we have to write the subtraction facts. We know that there will be 2 subtraction facts for every addition fact. So for this, let me write down the addition facts given as it is. 32 plus 48 is equal to 80. The subtraction facts for this addition fact are, so if you subtract, I will write 80 here first. 80 minus 32. If you subtract 32 from 80, you will get 48 as difference. This is one subtraction fact. And also if you subtract 48 from 80, you will get 32 as difference. So these two are the subtraction facts of given addition fact. ಅಂದರೆ 32 ಮತ್ತು 48 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 80 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಈ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು 80 minus 32 is equal to 48. The other subtraction fact is 80 minus 48 is equal to 32. Example number 6. Write the subtraction facts for 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Here I will write down the given addition fact as it is. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Here we are adding a number to itself. Both numbers are same that we are adding here. So in such case, there will be only one subtraction fact. What we can write is, if you subtract 15 from 30, you will get 15. Since both numbers are same here, we will get only one subtraction fact in this case. This is the subtraction fact. So if the numbers we are adding are different, we will get two subtraction facts. If both are same, there will be only one subtraction fact. So this is about basics of subtraction of two-digit numbers. I hope you enjoyed subtraction of two-digit numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye children.